Hey guys, I have a lesson to teach and it's about measurement. So I haven't taught this lesson in a really long time and I'm kind of nervous because you can see I have a lot of different things here to talk about measurement. So I'm kind of worried about all the different things we have to learn and that I might forget anything. So the way that I'm trying to remember it all is with these cards. So let's talk about these cards. The first one says holds less. Holds less is about something. This one says taller. I'm going to put that there. This one says height. I'm going to put that one there. This one says shorter. I'm going to put that one there. This one says heavier. I'm going to put that one in another category. Longer. I'm going to put that in a different category. Capacity. I'm going to put that in there. Lighter. I'm going to put that lighter with heavier. Length. I'm going to put it with longer. Holds more. I'm going to put it with capacity. And weight, I'm going to put it with lighter. Okay, so I have 4 different categories that I'm going to talk about. Okay, I'm going to start out with, first I'm going to talk about weight. All right. So for weight, I brought my scale. So weight tells us when things are lighter. You see the stuff that's lighter? Or heavier. So, and I know that someone has taken your weight. Usually when you go where? Yeah, to the doctor, they take your weight. So what I did is I brought my scale, and this scale measures in pounds. The heavier it is, or the more it's pushed down, see, I can squeeze. No, it should stop at 0. Oh yeah, there it is. Is it stopping at 0? Oh no, it's not at 0. Oh, maybe it's because it's not, yeah, balanced. Okay, so we've got some things here that I'm going to weigh. I'm gonna weigh this Gatorade. I'm going to weigh this fabric softener Downy. And then I have some weights. I'm not gonna tell you how much it weighs, how many pounds. And oh, I brought the treasure box. But we're gonna do some predictions. Okay? So let's see, let me move some stuff right out of the way. So here are the things that we're gonna weigh. That, the weights, this one. And I'm gonna move my bucket of water out of the way. And this. Okay, so we have this one that's only, it's mostly full. I have these 2 weights. I've got this one that's a Gatorade and a treasure box that's almost full. Okay, which one do you think will be heavier? this one, these two together, this one, the Gatorade, or the treasure box. Now, I'm sure that you're thinking, well, how do I know if I haven't picked them up myself? Well, you're right. You don't know how much is in here. You can see how much is in here. You can tell, and this one's kind of full. Maybe you can see and just do a prediction of which one you think is the heaviest. Do you think this one's the heaviest? This is the heaviest? These two are the heaviest, or this one's the heaviest? The first way that I'm going to show you is just by showing you how I pick it up with one hand, okay? So, okay, not too hard, really easy. Okay, this one was a little bit harder. Oh, this one's kind of hard too. So, I'll tell you how much they weigh. I'll weigh them here, and we'll see if you're right. This one says 2 pounds, 2. This one's like half a pound. This one is 10 pounds. And that one is 8 pounds. 8, 10, half, or like close to 1, and 2 pounds. So if you said that this was the heaviest, you were right. Which one was second heaviest? This one. And which one was third heaviest? This one. And which one was the lightest? Light, because it was easier to pick up. All right, cool. So in talking about weight, we want to talk about how much gravity is pulling towards the earth. So how much gravity, it depends on how much is in it, or how heavy it is, or how dense. Those are really big words. We're not going to worry about them too much, because what we're worried about is how heavy are certain things. Is it heavier? Is it lighter? Can we use the word heavier or lighter when we talk about weight? Now, are you now heavier than you were a year ago? Or are you lighter than when you were 5 years old or 4 years old? If you said heavier, you're probably right. All right, so that is for weight. The next category that we're going to talk about is, let's see, let's scoot these things over. Oh, I see. This one says length. Say length. So, let's see. Length, then shorter. Wait a minute. And longer. I'm missing one. Longer and shorter. Holds more capacity, holds less. So for length, we just have longer, long or longer. But there's also the word shorter. And I think they use the word shorter for length. Now, length, my good friends, has to do with this. How long is it? Say, how long? It's this way. The other kind of measurement would be height. How tall it is. Height. They also check for your height when you go to the doctor, right? Yeah. But do they check to see how long you are this way? No, they only check how long you are when you were an infant, when you were a baby and they laid you down on the table and they checked to see with one of these. What is one of these? Do you know? This is a tool to measure. So we have different tools for measurement. We have the scale that measures weight. And then we have this tape measure to measure length, right? This tape measure has inches. Do you see it? And on the other side, it has a different kind. Those are called centimeters. In the United States, oh look, I'm wearing my R from Rodriguez. It was part of my Halloween costume. I miss you guys, so sometimes I do things to remember Cabrillo. Back to length. Length measures this way, how long you are, okay? So I have some things that I'm going to measure in length. Oh, so there's different ways that I could measure length. I don't always have to use a tape measure, or I also have a big ruler that's called a yardstick. You see, that's 3 feet long, and it has the numbers on there too. Do you see them? It gets all the way to 36. All right, so I could use just the ruler to measure it. I'm gonna measure the length of the book. I could just measure, usually I start from 0. They don't have the number 0, but I know. And so I'm not going to tell you how long it is because this time I'm going to use cubes. If you don't have cubes to measure, maybe you can use paper clips. Now, you know paper clips. So I don't have enough paper clips because I don't really use them at home. So I forgot to bring some from school and I don't have any. I have like 10, but I did bring these because I thought maybe I was gonna use them. So can you count with me how many cubes this is long? I'm gonna start there and I'm just gonna add more and then I'll count at the end. It looks like I still need one more. And I need a little piece more. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cubes long. It is 15 inches long? No, because I'm not using the ruler. I used cubes. So it is 15 cubes long. Okay? Now let's see what else I could measure. I got this box. Let's see how long it is. Oh, this one's very, very similar to the book. But is this one shorter than the book Or is this one longer than the buck? If you said longer, I agree. I put one more. So before it was 15, with one more, how many is it going to be? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good. All right. Now, this one, we also weighed it, but you can also measure it, right? Let's see how long it is. So this is how long the box was, and here is the beginning of the barbell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I take those off, right? Is that one shorter or longer than the box? If you said longer, you're right. Just kidding. Shorter. You're right. It was shorter. I was just messing with you to see if you were paying attention. That, my friends, is about length. Say length. So with length, it's, where are they? I lost them. I lost my cards. Oh, there they are. Longer and shorter. Longer and shorter. That is length. So we've covered weight and length, right? Now we're going to talk about height. That's another way to measure things. Height. Now I'm going to take from length, I'm going to take shorter from length because I think length also needs shorter. Because in height, it's about how tall things are. Can you see it? Height is about taller or shorter, okay? So there are some things that we can measure in height. Well, we've already weighed this and we found out that it's 2 pounds, right? We can measure the height, we can measure the length. Let's do it all. First, I'm gonna measure how long it is. Length. I hope I'm not confusing you. Okay, it starts about there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in length. But now height, is it the same? I don't think so. Height is how tall it is. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cubes tall. Oh, you know what? It needs to be flatter. In the flat place? Yeah. Oh, I miscalculated. Yeah, that thing was making it taller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cubes tall. I made a mistake. So that one was 7 cubes tall and 12 cubes long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, right? 12. Let's measure the height of the Gatorade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, it's a little bit less than 11. Which one is taller? This one or this one? One way to find out is to stand them next to each other, right? You can tell that this one is what? Shorter. And this one is taller. And then when we checked, we found out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cubes tall. And then we found out that this one was, that one's too much. That one's about right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cubes tall. Height is about how tall or how short. Height. And they check your height all the time. I'm trying to remember if I ever checked your height next to our bathroom where the giraffe was. Did we ever check your height and your weight? I don't know if I remember doing that. Usually I do at the beginning of the school year and at the end of the school year. Height is how tall or how short something is. The last one we're going to talk about is called capacity. Say what? Capacity. Capacity. All right. Capacity. I'm going to clear some things out. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you very much. Well, this one you can say. Excuse me, paper clips. Excuse me. Oh, this one I use it for a table. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, book. No need. Capacity. All right. So capacity is how much does it fit inside? How much does it hold? How much does this one hold? How much does this one hold? And how much does this one hold? And this bucket of water. Capacity. It's a picture of how much it holds. Some stuff holds more, and some stuff holds less. Like that water bottle, which one would hold less? The big jug or the small water bottle? All right, so can you do some predicting? Which one of these do you think will hold more? This one, or this one? I feel like I need a cup or something so I can fill and I can measure with a cup. I think I can find one. Hold on. I'm back. Here we go. So I've got water here, and I'm going to fill this one up. Ooh. 1 cup, still not full. 2 cups, it's still not full, but almost. 3 cups, it's almost full. 3, 4. 4 cups, and it's about to fall out. So this one can hold 4 cups of water. This one is full. But it didn't even hold a whole cup. Let's check out the big bowl. 1, 2. Are you predicting? 3. 4. Carlos. 5. 6. Could you come? 7. 8. 9. I need more water. 10. Well, I would have to wait and I'm recording. 11. 12. Yeah, you can help me. Súbete la silla. 13. 14. Diles hi. Hi. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. Hold on, Lucita. 22. Not that much, see? 23. Okay, here comes more water. Right there. I'm at 23, I think. 20. Wait a minute, that one doesn't. Yep. Can you no. 24. 25. 26. We're getting close. Do you see it? 27. Oh, I'm at the edge. Let's see if I can put one more. Let's see if it fits 28 without spilling. Oh, 28. Can you see the water moving in there? Okay. I fit 28 cups of water in that one. Let's see if I can see, you can see the water. Ah! Oh, I'm spilling it. About, can you see the water there? Can you see the water here? Okay, so we can see capacity. Say capacity. Capacity tells us how much can it hold? Can it hold more, or can it hold less, or even less, right? Or so those are the 4 ideas that I wanted to share about capacity, about weight, right? About height, and about length, all right? So the whole week, I want you guys to think about these things, about all of these things, and how we can measure things. That this one, we could also weigh it. Just right now, these 2 that are on the scale, they weigh 3 pounds, 3 pounds. So it holds more, and I know that this is 3 pounds of water. All right, okay, bye guys.